हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट बेस्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। दोस्तों, यहाँ पे हम लोग बात करेंगे प्रोवाइड अ सिंगल वर्ड या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग। पहला क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि जो एनर्जी ड्राइव्ड है फ्रॉम द फिजन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियाई ऑफ हैवी एलिमेंट्स सच एज अ यूरेनियम या थ्रोरियम और फ्रॉम द फ्यूजन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियाई ऑफ लाइट एलिमेंट्स सच एज अ ड्यूटेरियम या टाइटेरियम। द राइट आंसर इज द न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी। The right answer is the nuclear energy. Second question, reaction caused by changes in the electron structure surrounding the nucleus. Reaction caused by changes in the electron structure surrounding the nucleus. The right answer is the chemical reaction. The third question is that reaction which occurs when the particles making up the nucleus of an atom are rearranged. Question number third, reaction which occurs when the particles making up the nucleus of an atom are rearranged. The right answer is the nuclear reaction. Question number four, theoretically, the irreducible constituents of the material world. Theoretically, the irreducible constituents of the material world. The right answer is that fundamental particles. The next question, question number 5. Except for the electron and proton, all the fundamental particles are. The right answer is that unstable. Except for the electron and proton, all the fundamental particles are unstable. The next question, question number 6. Electrons emitted by radioactive atoms. The right answer is that beta rays. Electrons emitted by the radioactive atoms is beta rays. Next question, question number 7. It is identical to the nucleus of the hydrogen atom. It is the identical to the nucleus of the hydrogen atom. The right answer is that proton. Next question, question number 8. It has a mass approximately equal to that of the proton. It has a mass approximately equal to that of proton. The right answer is that neutron. Question number 9. It can be detected by subjecting it to electric or magnetic field, nor can be presence be shown by the passage through the cloud chamber. The right answer is that neutron. Next question, question number 10. The basic unit of any chemical element. The right answer is that atom. Question number 11. The number of electrons associated with an atom determine its. The right answer is chemical characteristics. Question number 12. Elements which have identical chemical characteristics but different atomic weights. The right answer is that isotopes. Question number 13. Dash has three isotopes. Hydrogen has three isotopes. The right answer is the hydrogen. Hydrogen के three isotopes. Question number 14 is the work required to disintegrate an atom completely into protons and neutrons. The right answer is binding energy. Binding energy is the right answer. Next question, question number 15. The unstable nucleus undergoes atomic disintegration by emitting alpha, beta plus, gamma or X-ray electromagnetic radiation. The right answer is this is radioactivity. Question number 16. The alpha particle is identical with nucleus of a dash atom. The right answer is helium. Question number 17. A particle whose the alpha particles is identical with nucleus of a dash atom. The right answer is helium. Question number 17. A particle whose mass is the same as that of an electron and whose charge is equal in the magnitude but opposite in sign. The right answer is positron. Question number 18. A technique used to determine the molecular and crystalline structure of material? The right answer is the neutron differentiatory. Question number 19. A heat source which requires no oxygen. Is the right answer is the nuclear reactor. Question number 20. Those isotopes of uranium and plutonium which fission upon interaction with the thermal neutrons. The right answer is the fissionable materials. Question 21. Those isotopes of uranium and plutonium which have an even atomic weight. The right answer is the fertile materials. Question number 22. Materials capable of reducing neutron energy very rapidly. The right answer is moderating materials. Question 24. Most widely used and plant power reactor. The right answer is water cooled reactor. Question 25. A nuclear reactor that produces more fissionable material than it consumes. The right answer is breeder reactor. Question 25. A nuclear reactor that produces more fissionable material that is consumed. The right answer is the breeder reactor. Now, next question is question 26. Unmoderated liquid metal cooled reactors operating at extremely high power density. The right answer is fast breeder reactor. Question 27. These isotopes of uranium and plutonium which fission on integration with thermal neutron. The right answer is the fissionable material. Question 28. Materials capable of reducing neutron energy very rapidly. The right answer is that moderating materials. Question number 30 now. Materials having high cross section for absorption of neutron. The right answer is that control materials. The next question, question 31. The main objective of reactor design during reactor operation. The right answer is to achieve neutron balance. Question number 32 is that the ratio bracket में of the number of fissile nuclides produced by the capture of neutrons by the fertile nuclides to the number of fissile nuclides being greater than unity. The right answer is that breeding ratio. And question 33, that is the tolerance radiation level is, the right answer is 10 to the power 3 particles per centimeter square per second. The next question, question 34, that photovoltaic cell. Question 34 is that device. 34 question is that device for the direct conversion of solar radiation into electricity, that is photovoltaic cell. डिवाइस जो कि फॉर डायरेक्ट कन्वर्जन करती है सोलर रेडिएशन को इनटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं फोटोवोल्टिक सेल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड शेयरिंग.